This is Ian from Lean Media. I'm going to show you how to set up a free shipping template in Shopify for certain types of items that are in your Shopify store. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it, follow me, let's get started. So we are in the Shopify settings console, and you can see I have a whole bunch of different things right here, and I've selected the shipping tab. So this is shipping and delivery. This is where all the action takes place. I have currently two shipping profiles. One is for items that ship from the PO box location that I've set up. These are already free shipping. And then I have everything else that falls into the general category. And the story with the general category is there's free shipping, but only if the price, you can see it right here, is $60 and up. That's free. What I'm going to do is I have a couple specialty items that I want to set the shipping to be free no matter what the price is. It doesn't matter if it's more than $60 or less than $60. These items will be free. There's 3 items total. So let's go back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click New Profile, and I'm going to call this Bundles Free Shipping. Okay? And then I'm going to add products. And I have lots of products, so I'm just going to type in bundles and they'll all show up. Oops. Bundle. Here's one of them. Starter bundle, the jumbo bundle, and the large print bundle. And by the way, the reason why I'm setting up free shipping for this is because usually all of these items are more than $60, but sometimes it drops to below $60 if the customer uses a discount code or I have some other promotion going on. So I just want to ensure that even if they use a discount code and the price and the order total drops below $60, they can still get the free shipping. I want to clear these things out of inventory. This one I'm never going to be selling again, but these two I just want to clear them out because they've been in Flexport for a long time, and I'm starting to get warehouse fees. I just want them gone, and also it's a holiday period. So let's click done. You can see them right here. Fulfillment location. So it's by default it's going to take the 4 locations that I already have. If I had another one, I could add a location, but I think we're okay with this. So I think we're good to go. All the items currently are in all these bundles are currently in Flexport. So when an order comes in for this, it's going to be free shipping. So I'm going to click Save. Oh, I might have to do a couple other things here. Yeah, so I have to. So you can see I'm not done here. It's not just a matter of saying it's free shipping. You actually have to set it up. So I'm going to click this here. No shipping rates. Customers won't be able to check out for products in this profile. So I want to make sure that I take care of this. So it is in Flexport. I'm going to add new rates for SFN Flexport. And let's take a look here. So this is only in the United States. US free shipping bundles. I have to scroll down and find it. Done. And I'm going to add a rate. Okay. So you need to be careful here because I want to make sure that I'm not promising people something other than free shipping. Like, for instance, I don't want to give free express shipping. That would just bankrupt me. So I'm just going to say economy. And then I'm going to say the price, free. It's already there. You can do things like add conditional pricing, like if it's more than a certain value or whatever. I'm just going to do free shipping. And when customers, they're going through the checkout process, they'll see economy, 5 to 8 business days, free. And I'm going to click done. So currently, these items, they're all going to be free shipping. Doesn't matter what the price in their cart is. And the other thing that this will let me do is I'm going to start to put marketing right on the page for these 3 items, like a badge or something on the image that says free shipping included. So people, when they hit this page, they'll be really clear what they're getting. And free shipping is of course, it's a huge draw. For my business, usually it has to be more expensive items just because otherwise my margins will be killed. But this is how you set up a free shipping profile in Shopify. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.